Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing the vending machine part 4. Okay, so I'm gonna buy 2 mystery ones. 1 mystery, 2 mystery. Okay, let's see what I get. Oof. Oh, okay, let's see what I got. Oh, this does not like me. Okay, first I got a mystery box, and let's see what else I get. Oof. Wow, this thing is not coming out. Huh. Maybe it doesn't want to come out. Okay. Oh, it gave me a quarter back. I guess it didn't come out. Okay, let's place a quarter in. What? I twisted it all the way. Okay, this is what I got. Got a little squishy thing. Okay guys, let's see what's in my mystery box. Oh wait, I already know what it is. It's magnetic rings. I already got these before. I'm gonna put that over here. Okay, next, I'm going to find a quarter. Let's get 1 mystery thing. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna get. All I need to do is twist it. Oh, let's see what I got. Oh, I've already got this one before too. Well, that's silly. I'm getting all duplicates. Well, let's see what I get next. Let's get a quarter. Okay. Let's twist it. Got a little squishy. Okay. Now I just need to find another quarter. I have a lot of quarters. So when I run out of my quarters, that means the video ends. That's a 5-cent piece. I think, wait, what if it just gives me something smaller? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna twist it now. Oop. See what I got? Oh, it's a little black squishy thing again. It's like a little one. Okay. I have no idea. So it's just mystery items. You never know what you're gonna get. It could be fidgets, it could not be. Okay. Now I just need to twist it. That's where I twist it, by the way. It's just kind of hard. I'm gonna let you guys watch. Okay, let's twist it. Whoop. Okay, it fell. Let's twist it the other way. So, ooh, I got a little eyeshadow palette. I do wear eyeshadow, so that works perfectly. That was starting to grow. Tile is starting to grow. Put my quarter in. Okay, let's twist it. Ooh, okay. Let's see what I got. Ooh, it's like a little squishy. I like it. I'm getting a lot of these weird squishy things, aren't I? Okay, let's grab a quarter. It only works if you put a quarter in it, or else it won't give you anything. Okay, let's twist the thing. Oh, okay. I got. Whoa, far in there. Ugh. It fell out of the vending machine. Okay, there we go. even got another squishy thing. Like, look at all this squishy stuff I have. It's not all squishy stuff that I'm showing you right here, but a lot of it is so squishy stuff. Okay, next time I'm going to put another 25 cents in. Okay, now I just need to twist it. Oh, it fell. Okay. Ooh, I got, what are these? Oh, the earth rings. I love these. I don't think that thing likes me. Okay. Now I just need to twist it again. Wait, I didn't put a quarter in. It wouldn't work. That would be funny if I just put a quarter in. Okay. Oh, hi, Carl. My cat's in here. I thought you were just up there. I don't know. Okay, let's twist it. Okay. Oh, a fidget spinner. Sadly, it's not the ones that pop, but I am getting a fidget package in about a week. Maybe even I'm actually getting it in less than a week. Wow. Okay. Am I out of quarters? Okay, guys. I'm gonna be sneaky. Okay, what's up? I'm gonna pretend like I'm crying. Okay, let's go to fries. Never do this at a real vending machine. I'm paid to be doing this, so this is part of my payment. I can't do it. Oh, there we go. Okay, there's still some in there, but I'm gonna keep a little money. I'm too suspicious. Okay, let's see. What will I get? Whoa! It just broke. And I have to go tell the people it just broke. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys. I told the person to go fix it. It was actually my twin that fixed it. Yes, I have a twin. Actually, no, I don't. Okay. Put my quarter in. There we go. And let me twist it. Oh, here's the splashing. Oop, it fell. Another squishy. Oh, this one looks really pretty, doesn't it? Would you agree, guys? Oh, also, if you're new to my channel, like and subscribe, please. Okay, let's get another quarter. Okay, I'm twisting it. Ooh, another squishy. I like it, but also, guys, I sold all my poppets, so I hope I get new poppets. Those birds are going crazy. Sorry, it's morning. Okay, they changed 75 cents for the poppet. I hope I'm getting my poppet or something like that. Because I actually sold it to the machine and they paid $10 for one. I only have to pay 75 cents. Whoa. Okay, I got my pocket. Okay, I'm gonna get another puppet. Actually, I'll just get a mystery. Oh, I hate when that happens, don't you guys? When your money doesn't go through. Oh, there you go. Okay, my money went through. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I sold all my stuff to the machine. I hope I get one of my things. Okay, I'm twisting it. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a squishy. Kind of feels like a Neato. It's just a little more airy. It has some air in it. It's not too bad. Okay. Whew, I'm tired. Are you guys? Well, it's early in the morning for me. I'm gonna buy 2 mysteries. yeah, I'm gonna buy 2 mysteries. Okay, my money went through. You kind of have to push the money, or else it doesn't go through. Okay, I think it went through. Okay, let's see my 2 mysteries. I didn't get 2 other things. I just got 2 mysteries. Let's see what I got. Ooh, 2 poppets. That's weird. I didn't buy poppets. Well, I'm happy either way. I get poppets. Okay. This is my orange one. Because they actually ran out of poppets and they asked if they could buy it from me and I said $10. And this one's probably made out of 3D printer and then this one is probably not. Bad side. Oh, earlier I lost my cat. He got stuck in the dryer. No, we did not dry him in the dryer. It was not on. But it was just, he got stuck in there. Because the door accidentally shut. Okay. I can get 2 more things. Okay. Oof, I'm scared. Let's see what I get. Okay, should I buy 2 things at the same time? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's put my money in. Okay, now let's turn it and twist it and poof it and do it. Okay. Okay, these are my last 2. Ooh, okay. First I got this. Ooh, and next I got this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and a like and maybe subscribe. There's no reason not to, but there isn't a reason to. Actually, there is a reason to. So I can be a better YouTuber. Yeah, but there isn't any reason not to subscribe. Bye. No.